We are still in quarantine and we want to try something different than what I always cook at home. So we drove to Ohana Hawaiian barbecue. Ooh, Moco Loco sounds good right now. Looks like the restaurant's open for to-go orders only. Let's go. So my husband and I are sharing the mixed barbecue plate. It comes with rice, macaroni, and chicken, pork, and beef barbecue. And of course the kids love chicken katsu. It comes with rice, macaroni, and of course our favorite chicken katsu. And my favorite spam musubi, of course. But wait, I forgot to order Loco Moco. Well, I guess I'll just have to make my own Loco Moco for dinner tonight. But it's okay, we still enjoyed our meal. Right, Joanna? So these are the ingredients we need. Okay, so let's make our Loco Moco. First, we need to season the burger patties with salt and pepper. Make sure to season both sides of the burger. And then we grill. So next we get the Spam. And we cut the Spam into thin slices. And then we're gonna fry them next. Okay, let's start frying. So now that the Spam's ready, just transfer them on a plate and set aside. So next we're gonna make the gravy. We're just gonna follow the instructions in the package, but I like to add mushrooms because it tastes better that way. So we're just gonna keep stirring till it boils and the gravy starts to thicken. Then you'll know it's ready. Then we pour the gravy in a bowl and then we set aside. And then we're gonna make Sunnyside-up eggs. After this, let's check on the burger if they're ready. Yep, they're ready. Now let's start plating. So we put rice in a bowl and then we place the burger and 2 slices of the Spam. We add the gravy and mushrooms. I want to put more gravy and then I'll put the egg on top. Drizzle a little bit of the spicy sesame oil and green onions. Tara, kain na! Sarap! Thanks for watching!